Hi, and thanks for watching. This Quinecore question is how to make cameras searchable by model. With larger camera systems like Arri and Red and the so-called Pro cameras, there is a naming convention of the files structured like in this example. A001, C023, where the A represents the specific camera and the 001 is that camera's roll number. Every time you change the recording media, this number typically increases by +1. The C stands for clip, and the 023 is in this instance the 23rd clip on the roll 001 from camera A. With this kind of file names, we can easily identify all A rolls as coming from camera A and all B rolls as coming from camera B. This is super convenient for long shoots. But what when you get file names that are not identifying a specific camera? Quinecore is here to help. In this example, QI correctly identifies the Sony model number for A7S Mark II as ILCE7SM2, but the camera itself will not be searchable as the clip name structure is C00001. Thus I hit the edit button. First I check the unique file name box and I add a camera prefix. Now I can search up all images from this camera as easily as I can search camera A or camera B, and this will remain the setting for this camera throughout the production. The Quinecore platform takes care of all on-prem and cloud-based file and metadata exchanges in a production, taking you from a multitude of subscriptions to one single tool and a single point of reference for the entire production. Quinecore runs on your own cloud subscription. You always own your own files. Because of this, there is zero cloud cost markup. Quinecore saves time, money, and strengthens security and management. Thanks for listening to this instance of Quinecore questions. I'm Gunleik Roven, the COO of Quine. If you have Quinecore questions, please push me a mail.